Have you ever felt that English is clear in your mind, but when you try to speak, your mouth freezes, your tongue feels heavy, and your confidence disappears? If yes, then today's episode is going to change the way you speak English forever. Welcome back to the English Flow podcast, the place where your English becomes easy, confident, and natural step by step. I am your host, John, and today we have our wonderful guest, Sarha, with us. Hi, Sarha. Welcome to the show.
Hi, John. Thank you so much. Hello to all our listeners. I'm really excited because today's topic is one of the most powerful secrets of speaking English fluently.
Today's topic is train your mouth to talk in English. Many learners think that learning English only means memorizing vocabulary and grammar. But the truth is, speaking is not just a brain skill. It is also a physical skill.
Exactly, John. Your lips, your tongue, your jaw, and even your breathing system all work together when you speak. If these parts are not trained, your English will always sound slow, unclear, and unnatural.
That's true. Many students say, I understand English, but I can't speak it properly. And the real reason is that their mouth is not trained.
Yes, English has many sounds that are new for learners, like the TH sound in think, this, and that. If your tongue and lips don't know where to move, your speech will always feel uncomfortable.
And confidence also comes from control. When your mouth follows your brain quickly, confidence automatically increases. Sarha, speaking English is just like going to the gym.
That's a great example. If you want strong muscles, you must train daily. In the same way, if you want fluent English, you must train your mouth daily.
Exactly. Tongue twisters are like exercises for your tongue. Shadowing is like cardio for your speaking speed. And the best part is that even 10 to 15 minutes of daily practice is enough to see powerful improvement.
Now, let's talk about the most common speaking problems learners face. The first problem is speaking too slowly. The second problem is translating in the mind. The third problem is fear of making mistakes. The fourth problem is not opening the mouth properly. And the fifth problem is robotic rhythm with no natural flow.
Yes, many learners speak like robots with no stress and no emotion. All these problems come from lack of mouth training.
Now let's start the real training. Step 1 is mouth warm-up. Just like athletes warm up before exercise, your mouth also needs warm-up.
You should open your mouth wide and say, ah, ee, ooh, ooh, slowly. Stretch your lips into a smile, then make a round shape. Move your tongue left, right, up, and down. Open and close your jaw slowly.
Just 2 to 3 minutes daily can unlock your speaking muscles.
Step 2 is sound and pronunciation training. Many learners struggle with TH, R, and L sounds.
For TH, practice think, this, that, those. Your tongue should come slightly between your teeth. For R, practice read, write, run. Your tongue should not touch the roof of your mouth. For L, practice love, light, little. Your tongue should touch behind your upper front teeth.
Always practice slowly first, then increase speed with time.
Step 3 is tongue twisters. This makes your mouth fast and powerful. Practice daily. She sells seashells by the seashore. Red lorry, yellow lorry. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers.
Start slow, then go faster and faster. Your tongue will become strong within a few days.
Step 4 is practicing useful daily phrases. This connects training with real life. For example, how are you today? Can you help me, please? I would like a cup of tea. What time is it? Nice to meet you.
Repeat them slowly, then at natural speed. This builds automatic speaking. Step 5 is recording your voice. You can use your mobile phone. Record your voice, listen carefully, find your mistakes, and correct them.
This one simple habit can improve your speaking very fast.
Step 6 is shadowing. Listen to a native speaker and repeat immediately with them. Match their speed, tone, and rhythm.
This technique builds real conversational fluency.
Now, here is a simple daily 15-minute plan. 3 minutes warm-up, 3 minutes sound practice, 3 minutes tongue twisters, 3 minutes daily phrases, 3 minutes recording or shadowing.
Just 15 minutes daily can completely rebuild your spoken English.
Clear speaking builds confidence. Confidence changes your career, your relationships, and your personality.
Your English is not weak. Your mouth is untrained. Train it daily, and your English will transform. Here is your 7-day challenge. Pick 3 tongue twisters and 5 daily phrases. Practice them daily for 1 week. Record your voice every day.
On the 7th day, listen to your first and last recording. You will clearly hear your improvement.
English fluency is not talent. It is training.
Train your mouth, train your sounds, train your rhythm. This was today's episode of the English Flow podcast.
If you enjoyed this episode, share it with someone who feels shy to speak English.
We will meet again in the next episode with more powerful English speaking secrets.
Until then, keep practicing.
Keep improving.
And keep your English flowing.